Hello coders, welcome to the second tutorial of the Git Pro series. If you don't know what Git is, then you should watch out for the first tutorial about Git and version control. Today we'll be installing Git on different platforms, so let's start without wasting time. There are few ways to install Git on Windows. The most official build is available from here. The link is in the description. After downloading the file, double click on it and keep pressing the next button until it is finished. And it will get installed. You can verify the installation by typing git version in the command prompt. For Linux based system, visit the link given in the description and check for your distribution. Here I am using Linux Mint, which is Debian based, so I will put the command using sudo permission and it will get installed. I have already installed it. You can verify the installation by typing git version in the command prompt. For Mac, the easiest way is probably to install the Xcode command line tools, or on Mavericks or above we can simply run git from the terminal by typing git version. If you don't have it installed already, it will prompt you to install it. For now, thank you. We will be learning Git configuration in the next video. Till then, subscribe our channel and share the video.